Solayer is defying the crypto crash. So, as you can see, Solayer right now is outpacing the market. It's doing very good compared to everything else in the market that's currently going down, with Bitcoin down 8% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum down 13.5% in the last 24 hours, XRP down 16.7% in the last 24 hours, Solana 18.6%, Cardano 23.9%, Doge 15%, Hedera 17%. It goes on and on and on. But you see Solaire right now is up 8.7% in the last 24 hours. And it was actually up a lot more than that. It was at $1.09. So it was almost like 20%. Like, it was an insane number. And yeah, Solaire is up right now 35.3% in the last 7 days. So it's been doing extremely well, outpacing the overall market. And as you can see, the 24-hour trading volume is huge right now. $460 million right now inside of the trading volume. So Solaire is doing exceptionally well. The market cap at 195 million. Like, the trading volume is higher than the market cap. Like, that's crazy. That's when you know it's real. Like, this is a real project right here. It's doing very well. Fairly new project. It's just been doing super good on Solana. As you can see, it hasn't been out for too long. So yeah, Solaire is definitely looking like a good option out there. It's looking like a good choice compared to everything else. As you can see here, it is on the top gainers list here on CoinGecko. So yeah, it's been up here for a while. So it's just extremely large numbers compared to all the losses that we're seeing today in the whole overall crypto market. You know, Solaire is just outpacing everything by a landslide. So that's good to see. It's always nice to see. Now, I did a technical here, and as you can see here with the technical analysis, we are bouncing off of support here. There's that possibility that Solaire continues to rise, you know, and makes its next step upwards. If it does that, then the next level we could be expecting could be $1.20 for Solaire. Like, it did briefly touch $1.09, but if it keeps rising like this, like, it pretty much got rejected at $1.10. But if it keeps rising like this, then you could end up seeing Solaire at $1.22 very, very soon. That's the next Fibonacci resistance for us, the next Fibonacci retracement. So that's what you could end up seeing here. Right now, I am noticing, though, that on the RSI, it still hasn't bottomed out at the bottom yet. It doesn't always do that. As you can see, it kind of stopped halfway here, the RSI, and then it just kept going up from there. But another factor you have to pay attention to is it did bounce off that Fibonacci retracement right there, that support. Kind of what we're doing right now, we're bouncing off that Fibonacci support right here, and we haven't yet bottomed out here. So what if this kind of bottoms out and then crosses and goes right back up, just like how it did here? So there's that possibility that we see Solaire continuing to rise, but there's also the possibility that it doesn't. And in the case that it doesn't, you want to be prepared to where it would go next. Now, it wasn't just too long ago where Solaire was at 78 cents, the support all the way down here on the 1st of March, which was only 2 days ago. So there is that possibility that it drops back down to 78 cents. But right now, it's still looking a little bit bullish. We'll see if it continues to rise all the way up to $1.22. But I'll keep you all updated on that. Now, the holders have been going up a lot by Solaire as well. So as you can see here, the 26th of February, which was not that long ago. It's only the 3rd of March right now. But on the 26th of February, we had 42,755 holders. Now there's 43,608 holders. That's actually good. Just now lost one holder. But yeah, it's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. A lot of people are starting to get in on this project. And the first video I made on this was saying this could be the next gem on Solana, and is definitely looking like a gem. Is definitely looking like a gem. If this gets up to 1 billion in market cap, you got to think, with Solaire at 1 billion in market cap, that would just be huge. That would be a 5x pretty much from where we are now. So it would pretty much be a 5x, give or take, somewhere around there. And if you want to find out the actual market cap of it when it gets up to $1, not $1, because obviously when it gets to $1, it'll be 210 million. But let's say when we get all the way up to the market cap of 1 billion, where exactly would it be? All you would have to really do from there is take that 1 billion, and then you would go ahead and divide it by your circulating supply. That would be $4.76. So Solayer at a $1 billion market cap would be $4.76. I do see this happening in the near future for Solayer. I don't know how long it'll take, but when the market starts to speed back up and everything, Solayer is probably going to be one of those things that also speeds up with the market. So I think a $4.76 Solayer is not too far fetched. So there is that. So yeah, everything's been going well with Solayer. You can see they have the layer to USDC live on Radium as of February 27th. So that's a whole another avenue for you to use Solayer. The LP, if you want to go ahead and check out the liquidity pool, that's a pretty good one. And then you can also see layer to Sol LP. You can check out that liquidity pool as well, and that's on Orca. And Orca is another one of those hidden gems on Solana. So yeah, you're definitely gonna want to check that out as well. But yeah, this is all I got for you all today. I'll keep you all updated on what is coming up next with Solayer. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.